Hi there, this will be a short video on how to use your library card to access the learning database Solaro. Solaro is a database that offers course material and tests for math, English, and sciences from grades 3 to 12. They also include social studies, but only for select grades. The first step to access Solaro is to open your browser and go to the website sgpl.ca. From here, the home screen, go to the e-resources tab. Now you can either type in Solaro into the search bar or scroll down to it. When you find it, click the blue button under the logo and it will take you to a new website where you will have to type in your library card number and your PIN. If you are a Spruce Grove Library member, your PIN should be the last 4 digits of your phone number. If you're having trouble logging in, you can always call or email the library and we will assist you. Because I've logged in before, my screen displays the classes I've already chosen. You can always change that later in your account settings, found on the little drop-down menu in the top. With Solaro, you can select material from one grade, then select more from another grade. In each of your classes, there are topics, which break down into units. And every unit has a quiz. Solaro has tens of thousands of practice questions, so quizzes are different every time. You can maneuver around in the quiz like this, or you can finish later. This brings you to your assessments page. All the tests you have done will be listed here. I'm going back to the unit material using the links above. The best thing about Solaro is that it's used at the pace of the student. There aren't mandatory dates that tests need to be done on, and you don't need to unlock tests. If you learn best from tests, you can jump right in and skip the textbook material. If you learn from summarizing better, there are tools such as highlight and notes cards that can be used in the main material. If you want to go back and finish a quiz or test, you can find them in the To Do tab at the top of the page. Once you've finished a quiz, it gives you explanations for what you got wrong and where the information is in the textbook. The tests and practice tests are the same format as the quizzes, just more questions. And last but not least, Solaro likes to keep things fun with an option to customize your character. You can obtain new clothes for your avatar by doing more coursework. One star is earned every time you read a unit. Also in this section, there is a calendar and reports to track your progress. And that's all you need to know to use Solaro. If you have any questions, you can email us at library@sgpl.ca, phone us at 780-962-4423, or visit us in person at the library. Thank you for watching.